People and time are our most valuable resources. We want to have all the information available at all times. We want to be sustainable and efficient, no matter where we are, without losing the ability to collaborate. But to manage all that, there's need for suitable tools and technology. At MagiCAD Group, we deliver BIM solutions for MEP manufacturers through MagiCAD Cloud, including tailor-made software tools like configure price quote systems. We are the bridge between manufacturers and MEP designers. BIM objects are only the beginning of where the construction industry is heading with digitalization, and having products in a library is simply not enough anymore. Configure Price Quote, or CPQ software, helps designers to configure complex products and manufacturers to quote quickly. Sales processes become significantly faster and error-free, ensuring that all needed data is there. With CPQ, manufacturers are able to quote complex products and match exact customer needs with just a few clicks. This will put them ahead of the competition. On top of that, CPQ software makes products fully linked to the digital design process and available for designers already in the early phase. The manufacturer has a greater chance of selling their products if they are selected and incorporated early in the process. Digitalization secures that all data is available at all phases of the building process, from early design to manufacturing, construction, operation, maintenance, and final recycling. We support the digitalization of the construction industry while being a bridge between designers and manufacturers, creating solutions and services for over 40 years with passion, innovation, and Nordic soul. That's what MagiCAD Group is all about.